Pre-flight preparation. Open the storage bag and take out the product accessories in sequence. List of product accessories. Aircraft battery charging. Before flying, the battery needs to be fully charged. Press and hold the buckle to remove the battery. Insert the charging cable into the hole position and insert the EBR, a battery adapter. The red light remains on when charging the battery. Red light to green light when battery is fully charged. Remote control function key description. Warm tips. Flight environment requirements. E. Please choose to fly in an outdoor open environment with no wind, snow, and low wind power. Please keep the aircraft within line of sight during flight. Flying below a range of 150 meters. R. Stay away from crowds, trees, power lines, tall buildings, airports, and signal towers, because it may affect the drone's compass. When the drone is in the following environment, the fixed cover effect is poor. In places with dense Wi-Fi signals, the smoothness of video transmission is prone to interference. Installation instructions. Align the aircraft battery with the battery compartment and insert it. Open the battery cover on the back of the remote control. Install 3mm AAA batteries correctly according to the electrode instructions inside the battery box. Cover the battery cover. Align the protective frame with the arm buckle and press to install it. Complete installation diagram of protective frame. Aircraft frequency alignment. Place the aircraft on the level ground. Long press and hold for 1 second to turn on the aircraft power supply. The drone's lights flicker and enter the frequency synchronization state. Turn on the remote control again, and the remote control will automatically synchronize with the aircraft. The remote control beeps. The aircraft lights remain on, and the frequency alignment is completed. Short press the gyroscope calibration button on the remote control to calibrate the gyroscope. Drone light flashing to constant light gyroscope calibration successful. App download and connection. Mobile phone scanning instructions corresponding to QR code download app. After installation, ensure that the aircraft is turned on. Find the corresponding signal on your phone and connect it. After successful connection, open the app. Click Start to see the transmission screen. Mobile phone installation instructions. Pull out the phone holder outwards. Clip the phone into the phone holder. Aircraft takeoff. Place the aircraft on a level ground. Long press and hold the takeoff button on the remote control for 8 seconds. Drone takeoff. Press the left joystick. Electric adjustment, camera upward adjustment. Press the right joystick, electric adjustment, camera downward adjustment. Press the 360 度 special effects roll button. Drones achieve 360度 stunt R. Press the one-click photo button, real-time photo recording of drones. Long press the one button recording button. Drone start recording function. Press the headless mode button. Drone enters headless mode. Long press one button to descend. Replace the fan blades. Unscrew the fan blade screws and remove the fan blade. Install the corresponding identification of the fan blades. Tighten the screws. Complete.